next important drug which is used in angina, which is nothing but your Ivabradine. Which is nothing but your Ivabradine. Ivabradine, it's a new drug for angina, and it is known as bradycardiac agent. Right, it is known as the bradycardiac agent. Why it is called as bradycardiac agent? Because it decreases the heart rate. Right, because it decreases the heart rate without affecting the conductivity or contractility. That is why it is called as the bradycardiac agent. Next point, if you take the mechanism of action of these particular, the Ivabradine. Ivabradine, it acts by blocking a hyperpolarization activated sodium channel, and the name of that hyperpolarization activated sodium channel, it is called as, or it is also known as, a funny current channel. So what your Ivabradine will do is, Ivabradine will block this particular, the funny current channel. Right, will block the funny current channel. So by blocking this particular funny current channel, it will reduce the heart rate of the individual. Now, what did we discuss in our pathophysiology of angina? If heart rate is one of the determinant of the ischemia in an individual, if the heart rate of the individual is more, then the requirement of blood supply is also more, the demand for energy is also more. So by giving your Ivabradine, what you are trying to do? You are trying to reduce the heart rate. You are trying to reduce the requirement of blood supply. You are trying to reduce the energy demand. Right? So in that way, Ivabradine, it is used as an anti-anginal drug. Now, you should remember one of the most important adverse effect with your Ivabradine. Apart from bradycardia, this Ivabradine, it will cause the visual disturbances. Right? It will cause visual disturbances. This is one of the very important adverse effects what you should remember about your Ivabradine. Now let me discuss one more important anti-anginal drug which is also a newer drug which is called Fasudil. So you take this Fasudil. Fasudil, it is a selective Rho-kinase inhibitor. Right? It is a selective Rho-kinase inhibitor. Now, Rho-kinase, right, we call this as ROCK enzyme. Right, we call this as ROCK enzyme. So, this particular ROCK enzyme, what does it do? It plays an important role, right, this ROCK enzyme, it plays an important role in vasoconstriction. Right, ROCK enzyme, it plays an important role in vasoconstriction. Now when it is causing vasoconstriction, what it will do to the afterload on the heart? By causing vasoconstriction, the afterload on the heart increases. When the afterload on the heart increases, what will happen to the energy requirement? Energy requirement increases. So the energy requirement or the demand is more, the supply is less. So the individual will end up in angina. Alright. The other important point is ROCK enzyme, it will not only cause vasoconstriction. ROCK enzyme, that is Rho-kinase. The word ROCK enzyme stands for the Rho-kinase enzyme. This Rho-kinase enzyme will also cause the cardiac remodeling. Will also cause the cardiac remodeling. So whenever this particular Rho-kinase enzyme, it is causing the cardiac remodeling, what will happen? The entire myocardium, it becomes hypertrophied, and thereby the requirement of the blood supply by the myocardium, it increases. So what you try to do is, with the help of this Fasudil, right, with the help of this Fasudil, you inhibit this ROCK enzyme. When you are inhibiting this ROCK enzyme, thereby what will happen? There is no vasoconstriction, right? Instead of vasoconstriction, Fasudil will cause vasodilatation, right? Fasudil will cause vasodilatation, and thus, so whenever it is causing vasodilatation, what will happen to the afterload on the heart? Afterload on the heart will be reduced. When the afterload on the heart is reduced, what will happen to the energy requirements? Energy requirement will be reduced. So when energy requirement is reduced, the angina will reduce. So Fasudil, by inhibiting this enzyme, it will cause vasodilatation, and thus it can be used in angina, and it can also be used in cerebral vasospasm, right? So this is about your Fasudil, which is a Rho-kinase